Hey guys, I'm back. I've punched like one tree down. We got a little bit of wood, some saplings already, and I guess we're gonna try and make our house now. Because, I believe once we get inside our house, it will actually not lag as much. So, yeah, I think because we are all, these chunks are loading and stuff like that, so I think after we get some more wood and we make a house or whatever, it will be fine. Hopefully, well, and I don't know if you noticed, but if my hand looks different from the last episode, I got bored and I made a summertime skin for myself, just so it'd be a little bit more festive, since it's turning summer anyways. And yeah, just because it's turning summer, I decided we might as well just get the summertime skin, so we keep up to, so kind of give more reason actually look more like a summertime kid, a teenager, instead of have a cyborg. My cyborg skin looks still pretty cool since like I made I make these skins by myself. Plus I can make my own texture packs and stuff. So I might eventually, well, halfway through the series, I think I'm like maybe about a few more episodes later, I might start developing a texture pack for us. And well, yeah, oops, well, yeah, we'll just develop a texture pack. It'll be not a big deal. Wait, I hear cows. I feel like we should slaughter some. But yeah, we're gonna keep on to peaceful mode um until we have the stuff we need and we don't lag as much since we're gonna be in about the exact same area most of the time. And with this, it's gonna be whatever. So we got some orchards over there. I'm gonna try and actually get at least half a stack of wood before I start. Yeah, I kind of like to do this every now and then. It's kind of like look at myself, look behind me. Like it kind of gives you a chance to look behind you a little bit. So like there's nothing sneaking up on you. And yeah, it's just gonna technically be like that for a while. See, I can be mining something in front of me, and I don't know if there's anything behind me. And you can be looking this way, look this way, look that way, and then oh, I see a zombie. No big deal. And yeah, okay. I think after this we should be able to get to work on a house. I think I kind of want to build our house up into the side of a mountain. Just kind of give more the mage slash wizard feel. Oops. And yeah, I think doing that would kind of give us more of a even vantage point. Because if we have a vantage point, then it would actually help us a lot better. I'm kind of thinking about maybe building it on a beach or something. Because I believe there's a beach over here. Oh yes, there is. Um, wait. Do we want to make a water house? Live on the water? Seriously, living on the water would be pretty fun. I'm seriously considering it right now. But then we'd have to make steps, and I'm too lazy to make steps. Mm. Right there is kind of what I want to build it. So I think we might go up there. After this, we gotta find a spell parchment. We craft spell parchment with sticks, piece of paper, and then I'll give us spell parchment. And then we need spell parchment in order to make the spells. So we need runes, which is just like before, about 6 cobblestone. I'll give you like 2 runes. So it's not very hard to make. Yeah, up here, I kind of like it up here. Right there, right there. That would give us a, yeah, spot right there. Right here. Oh, more or less between the forest and the hills, which would, and plus if we, yeah, we're gonna build right here. With this, it will be a lot more helpful. Yeah, I don't have it on small, I actually have it on normal. But my computer's just gonna like, no, I don't like you. So, yeah, with all this, we're gonna have a pretty fun time. And yeah. Oops. So we're gonna want to make dimensional doors and stuff. So, oh, wait, how do we make stable fabric? Doesn't show us. So we have dimensional trapdoors, dimensional doors, 1101, 1101. And I don't know any of this stuff. I think we might make a warhammer, since I believe warhammers, when you use them, they kind of just blow up everything around it. Like, not like a TNT explosion, more like kind of pain for the mobs. Guess I got chests. And yeah, okay. Fallen meteor, meteor shield, okay. I believe the way we make a fallen meteor is we just put like 9 meteor chips together. An arcade bookshelf. Oak wood. Archive bookshelf. There we go. Caster. So we need to go to Nether to make that. Yeah, we obviously need to go to Nether to do some of this stuff. So, yeah. The armor stand, I don't think is going to be too hard to make. And with the armor stand, we can do some fun stuff. Rift blade. Wait. Yeah. Okay. Got that right then. So I kind of want to get some of these books. Mana cake. Oh, that's kind of sweet. Why do the companion cubes look like? I don't know. Well, iron faith plates, which require, I believe, yes, obsidian. So we're gonna need to either find meteors or find diamond in order to do this. Okay, so I believe we should start construction on our house. Oh dang it. 3, 4, 5. So I'm like one of those people that likes an even house. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, 2, 3, 4, 4. And we're gonna need to break this. So, ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4. This makes 5. Then this one makes 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, I'm not gonna do this entire process with you guys watching because I don't think it's gonna be that enjoyable. So I'll actually just come back when I'm done building. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Okay, I'm back, and it just suddenly, okay, seriously, I think the recorder I'm using right now is the problem. I got some tools going, and I even wandered around a little bit, and I found some sugar cane. I actually found 6 more. I had 9, but I planted 6 down there so we can keep that growing. And this is for paper, so we can make the parchment we need. And with the parchment, we should be able to actually do a lot more stuff. And after this, we need to find a chicken. And once we find a chicken, we can then start on all of these spells. So what I might do is I might cut again and go find a chicken maybe, and I might even try hunt some sheep so we can make a bed. And yeah, so I guess I might go find a chicken and hunt some sheep, and I guess I'll be back once I'm done. Okay, so I'm just wandering around and I see this thing. I found this thing while I was wandering around. Um, I got my stuff, but usually when you see these, I believe it means something on the other side of. I actually want to go look. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. The hell? No, 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 no. Well, I find that to be bull crap. G mode. Whoa. What? Um. Okay, so since this, um, what happened? We're in this weird area now. What the hell? What is this? Protection 2, Protection 4, Smite 4, Tons of Fabric of Realities, Saddles. Sheesh. So what's this called? Unraveled Fabric. I think it either blew us into another dimension or we're somewhere else. Well, I want to get like a stack of this since it looks cool. I'm gonna head back up there. Okay. So this is unraveled fabric. Okay. Got that now. I don't know if this... I don't know. I'm gonna fly upwards since it looks like we fell. Otherwise, we're stuck in here. It's just... This place is technically like end. Unraveled fabric. So wait, this could be the fabric of reality? I don't know. I'm gonna fly upward more. If we hit world heights and... Actually, what the? Oh my gosh. Well, I'm gonna do like this. So, game rule. Okay, so game rule keep in inventory. True slash kill. Okay. Since I find this kind of strange, well, that was very strange. I think we just lost her. Oh, okay, it's right here. So, because of this, I'm gonna switch game real quick. Then we're gonna go back there. I wanna. That was fair and square. I found that retarded. I'll be back. I'm gonna set my spawn point up here quick. Okay, I'll actually be back once I find that place. Okay, I kinda did some inspecting, and I found out that, when you fall out of the world in that dimension, you, get thrown into a dimension that should not even be here. Like, this is unraveled fabric, so technically what this means is, since it's unraveled, it means that it, it practically should not exist at all. So I wonder what happens if we follow the world here. Oh, okay. So with that there, it throws us back here. Okay. So now that we know that, we gotta be careful when we find those places. Well, I'll see you guys later. I forgot to tell you, when I went back there, I found the rest of the stuff that was there too. So yeah, and yeah, things I found stuff. So see you guys later now.